how to get voice chat on Roblox. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin. First, ensure you're eligible for Roblox voice chat. You need to be at least 13 years old and have a verified age on your account. Once verified, open up your Roblox app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now tap on More tab in the bottom right and here scroll down to the bottom and select Help and Safety. After that, tap on Help and you will be on this page. Here, tap on Search bar and search for voice. Now tap on the first option, that is voice chat, and new page will load up. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on this Need More Help embed and you will be on this page. Here, first enter your email address and confirm it. After that, select on which device you are. I am on Android, so I will select Android phone. Now, in the problem category, select technical issue. Now, in the description, type Hello Roblox team. Roblox voice chat option is not showing. Please enable it as soon as possible and tap on continue, and that's it. So that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.